How to convert a Python list into a JSON string. In this video, we are going to see how we can convert a given Python list into a JSON string using Python built-in JSON library with examples. Welcome to Python Tutorials by Coder Being. Let us see the step-by-step process to convert a given list into a JSON string. To convert a given Python list into a JSON string, import JSON library, call the dumps method of the JSON library, and pass the given list as argument to the dumps method. The dumps method returns JSON string created from the given list object. The JSON library comes inbuilt with the core Python language, so no need to install any packages or libraries. Now let us write a Python program and implement these steps. Take a list of 3 strings in given list variable. Import JSON library at the starting of the program. After the given list, call the dumps method of the JSON library and pass the given list as argument to the dumps method. Now this method returns a JSON string created from the given list. Store it in a variable, say JSON string. And finally, print the JSON string using a print statement. Run the program and the print statement prints the resulting JSON string to the standard output. Instead of printing to output, we can also save the JSON string to a JSON file. Create a file in write mode using open built-in function and write the JSON string to the file. Then close the file. Run the program. The JSON string is written to the file. You may open the file and see the contents. Now coming to the list contents, instead of 3 strings, you can also give, say, 2 dictionaries. Yeah, we shall convert a list of dictionaries into JSON string and we shall write the resulting JSON string to the file. As you see, each of the items in the list is a dictionary. Run the program and verify the contents of the JSON file. Concluding this video, we have learned the steps to convert a given list into JSON string. We have seen examples to convert a list of string items into a JSON string and a list of dictionaries into a JSON string. Thank you. If you enjoyed watching the video, please click on the like button, subscribe to the channel and support us.